Today I've washed my hair. You've seen me wash my hair before. This is what my hair looks like after I shampoo it and do a wash of conditioner. This is my hair right now, like this. I'm going to let it air dry, and then I'm going to use my new Revlon brush dryer so I can see how that works. So after this air dry, I'll come back to you and we will do the process of drying my hair with that brush. Okay, just step off the shower. So I was just going to make sure you see my hair, because you have seen me shampoo many times. So I shampoo, condition, and rinse off, and that's it, nothing else. All the water is still in my hair. So I'll just leave it like this, let it air dry, and then I'll come back. Okay. Hello everybody. I am getting ready to dry my hair for the first time with the Revlon brush. I shampooed my hair this morning. I did not record washing my hair because I've done that before. I am going to use the Tresemme heat protectant. I already shake it. I want to spray it all over my hair. So I'm going to spray, it's a leave-in heat protector. I just sprinkle. This is the Tresemme heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a heat taper, protects against heat damage, leave-in spray, works with heat appliances. So I'm going to spray that all over my hair. I'm not sure if I have to do it in sections to make it easier, I guess. White with comb. I think I should section my hair to make it much easier to do. I have these clips. I'm going to put them. I'm going to section my hair to make it easier when I blow dry it with this fancy blow dryer. Okay, let's see how this works. Never done it before. We are going to see together. Sounds so exciting. Because I know you won't be able to hear me, so I'm just telling you. First one will be cool, second one will be low, third one will be high. Okay? Okay, this I'm liking this. I am liking this. Okay, so I did this on low. It's not that hot, which is a good thing. But this is what I did on low. This is really nice. I am liking this. It's fast. This is good. I like that. Love this so far. I am liking it. The low seems to be working very, very good. Wow. It dries fast and it's only on low. Only have it on low and it dries really fast. This is my hair all blown out. Hair for days. This is what my hair looks like, all blown out, all dried up. Now I am going to take the Thermal Wonder from Carol Care, and I'm going to spray it in my hair because I plan to do a little bit of ironing my hair. So that's another thing to protect from. This protects from the heat. I used to use this often, but I haven't. Since I cut the hair, I have not done any ironing or blow drying. So this is the first since I cut my hair back when I think was it January? When I cut it really flat. Now I'm menopause, I've changed my hair into a whole other beast. I don't even understand my hair anymore. My hair feels completely foreign to me. But my hair has been dried. It dries so fast. The other machine, the hair dryer takes so much longer than this. This goes like really nice. I truly like it. This is a really good brush. My opinion on it is really good. If you're thinking of getting it, you can wait and see when they have it on sale and buy it. But it is a really good brush, really nice. Okay, so the next step of this thing, I can leave it like this and then just put a headband, but I'm going to iron it. This, I have this kiss machine right here. It's a hot comb. This is the on button, you hold it so it can come on. As you can see, it's going up. If there's an up and down, but if I want to go down, I press this, it goes down. And then if I want it to go up, I press the up button. While it gets hot, I will sort out my hair. Wash and goes are my favorite. And I'm going to let it go. I'm just separating my hair in God knows how. I don't know in how many pieces, but we'll figure that out. I have 4 more clips left, so yeah, we can do that. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. This is what the back looks like. Okay, I think I put my comb way too hot, so I'll bring it back down a notch. This already sprayed my hair, so I'm going to show you what I do. I cannot see what I'm doing, so I hope when I turn it around, it will be better. Okay. Because I only have a mirror right here in front of me. Now I'm ready to do the side. This side. I put the ironing thing on the highest. My ends need trimming for sure. Now fast forward those clips. I'm not doing it in small batches. I don't have time to stand up and do small batches. Okay, my ends need trimming for real because of the color I had in my hair. My ends for sure. I think this is good, and then this is where I turn down, and then I press off, and it's off. Okay, remember, before I dry my hair, I use Tresemme heat protectant, and then before I use the hot comb, I use this other heat protectant, so I have double protection in my hair. Now that I am done, I think I need to trim some ends. My hair ends need a trimming. Remember, I'm not a barber, I'm just trimming my ends because my ends are rough. They look rough. They feel rough, they look rough, so I'm just going to cut the ends of my hair. And I'm doing it just like this. Because, again, I'm not a barber. All of this is dead end. Much better. Wow. You can feel the difference. You can feel it. It feels good. So we're back again. I took all of this out. So this is what my hair looks like now. It's shorter now, but the ends look healthier. Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. Wow, what a difference. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest and then I will come back to complete my goodbyes. I have now trimmed all the hair. You can see the difference. This is so good. OMG. Feels good too. All the rough ends, I had to cut it out. I was like, no, this is the opportunity to do it. So now it looks all cut up. I cut and trim it. Now, to finish, I'm gonna use the melanin oil and put a little bit in my hair, not much. Wow, I can tell you the difference between when I had the dead ends from coloring my hair. I have not trimmed my hair in, the last time I trimmed my hair, I think it was in January of 2021. I have not blow dried my hair since or do anything. So the color and the ends were very badly damaged from the color. It was rough. Now that I cut it off, my hair feels so nice. This is what my hair looks like after I iron it out. This is what the back looks like. It will grow again, I know that. Once you trim it and keep it maintained, it will grow again. And that is it, people. This is it for my wash day, using my Revlon brush dryer and then using my Kiss hot comb to straighten out the hair. And this is what my hair is looking like. I like it crazy. I love my crazy hair. I love my hair being crazy. So this is that. This is it. Thank you all again for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. If you take care of self, you take care of the soul. And I will see you in another video. Remember, the soul of your body is important. If you don't take care of self, you will neglect the soul. So, take care of the soul. Bye. Bye. I will see you soon. See you soon.